Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all of the box contents of Bonsai board game. Here is the box from Bonsai, and let's see what was inside. And inside we got the board, 47 Zen cards, 4 summary cards that will help you remember the rules, 4 Seishi starting tiles in 4 different colors for each player, and 15 gold tiles. As you can see, they are in 5 different colors and in 3 different levels. Here is the low difficulty goal, intermediate and hard goal, and they are in 5 different colors. Here you can see that there are 156 bonsai tiles, 52 wood tiles, 52 leaf tiles, 26 flower and 26 fruit tiles. 4 pot tiles in 4 different colors, and the rules. That's everything what's inside of the box of Bonsai. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.